Hi students, welcome to today's class. So I hope that you are all preparing seriously for your JEE mains examinations which is going to held in April. So in the mains examinations, out of 30 questions, so there will be nearly 10 to 12 questions will be there. They are very easy to solve. Okay, now straightforward questions. Such type of one question is this. Let us see this problem. So almost it is a board level problem. So the mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16 respectively. Very clear. There are 7 observations are there. For that, mean is 8 and variance is 16 respectively. Next, if an observation 14 is omitted or deleted or removed, then the new mean and variance are A and B respectively. Okay. So the value of A plus 3B minus 5 is equal to how much? Very easy problem this is. So there are two cases. One case is before deleted and after deleted. Okay. So let us see the solution. So first given there are 7 observations are there. Mean is equal to, so x bar is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. This is given as 8. So sigma x is equal to 7 8s are 56. Put it like that. Okay, now so this is old one. So variance is equal to how much? Sigma xi square minus n by x bar square is equal to how much? 60. Sigma xi square by n minus x bar square by, that is the definition. So this is equal to sigma xi square by n. N means how much here? 7 minus x bar. So x bar is equal to how much? Mean 8 square. So this is equal to 16. So this implies xi square by 7 is equal to 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 16. How much? This is a 10. So this is equal to 8. Okay, 8. From this, sigma xi square is equal to 560. Sigma xi square is equal to 500. Sigma x is equal to 556. Sigma xi square is equal to 560 we got. So this is what old pattern. Now coming to after removing, after the observation 14 is removed, then what happens? Now this, what is the, we call it as n. N means what? New mean. What is a new mean? New mean is equal to sum of the observations minus 14. Minus 14. Why? Because from the sum 14 is removed and the number of observations are 6. Why? Already 7 observations, 1 observation 14 is removed. No, so therefore total number of observations how many? 6. So 56 minus 6, 14 is equal to how much? This is a 2 and it is 42. So 42 by 6, 7. 7. Therefore A is equal to 7. We got A value 7. Okay, now. So likewise, let us find out the B value by same we will apply here. Okay, now. So let us continue the solution. Welcome back. So here now we are going to find out new variance. New variance is equal to how much? Sigma xi square minus, what is the observation is removed? 14 is removed. That's why 14 square by number of observations are 6 minus new mean. What is a new mean? This is 7 square. So that is equal to minus 7 square. This value is nothing but B. Understand here? Sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. So here xi square minus, here 14 is removed. That means minus 14 square you have to remove here. By number of observations are 6 now. Minus x bar square. X bar means what? You have to write down new mean. After 14 is removed, the new mean is equal to 7. Okay, now 7 square. Now calculate. So already sigma xi square is equal to 560 minus 14. 14s are 256 by 6 minus 7. 7s are 49 is equal to B. Okay, now. So 196. So this is equal to 196. So 500 is 14. 14s are 196 by 6 minus 49. So you calculate. So we get B is equal to 25. We will get B is equal to 25. Okay. 560 minus 196. So 560 minus 196. So here 4, here 5. So 6. So here 4. 364. 364 by 6. You divide it. So here 10, 19, 5. So therefore 364 by 6 you divide, and you will subtract with 49. You will get B is equal to 25. So after getting A value, B value, substitute here A plus 3B minus 5. A value is 7 plus 3 into 25 minus 5. 7 plus 75 minus 5. 7 plus 75 minus 5, 70. This is equal to 77. 77 is your final answer. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is a problem from reasoning. So here P and Q are any two simple statements. P and negation Q implies P implies negation Q is a tautology or contradiction. So you can write a truth table. You can check for it also, but it takes sometimes it takes sometimes. So let us apply the any formulas are there. So we have the formulas. What is the formula is? P implies Q is logical equivalent to negation P or Q. P implies Q is logical equivalent to negation P or Q. So here see here. So this is a P implies Q. P implies Q is a negation P or Q. That means negation of this first statement. Negation of P and negation Q, or Q means how much? P implies negation Q. Understand? P implies negation Q. Right. So this is equal to P or negation of negation Q, Q, or again P implies negation Q. P implies negation Q means what? Negation P or negation Q. Negation P or negation Q. So if you observe here, what is the connectivity you have? R means union. R means just like it is nothing but union. That means definitely without hesitation you can say it is a tautology. It is a tautology. So you can draw the Venn diagram. You can draw the Venn diagram. P, Q. See here, P without diagram also R is there. You can declare that. So only connectivity is R. Therefore total diagram will be shaded. Okay. So P or Q means what? It is completely shaded. Okay. So this is P or Q. Negation P or negation Q means what? Outside of negation P, outside of negation Q. Outside of P and outside of Q. So this is negation P or negation Q. Now what is again central? What is the connectivity? R. That means total diagram is shaded. So if the total Venn diagram is shaded, then it is a tautology. So if you don't have the great idea, so draw the take the truth table, write down P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P or Q, negation P or negation Q, again total compound statement. Okay now? Right. So this is a clearly a tautology statement. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So very easy problem. So see here, tan 15 degrees plus 1 by tan 75 degrees plus 1 by tan 105 degrees plus tan 195 degrees is equal to 2a, then the value of a plus 1 by a. Okay, we know the tan 15 degrees we know. So without hesitation we can write down tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Sir, and on the spot if you didn't get the idea, then what how to do? Tan 15 means tan 45 minus 30. Like that also you can calculate. Tan 15 means tan of 45 minus 30 degree. That means tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Then you calculate and rationalize the denominator, you will get 2 minus root 3. Okay, now let us see the remaining angles, tan 75, tan 105, tan 195. So can we write those angles in terms of tan 15 degrees? Let us check. So this is equal to tan 15 degrees. I will write as it is 1 by tan 75, 90 minus 15, 90 minus 15 cot 15. So this is equal to cot 15 plus 1 by 105. 105, how can you write down? So this is equal to 90 plus 15, 90 plus 15 minus cot 15. So this is equal to minus cot 15 degrees plus 195. 195, how can you write down? 180 plus 15. 180 plus 15 means how much? Again, third quadrant, tan 15. So this is tan 15 is equal to 2a. See here, this is a tan 15, this is also tan 15 minus tan 15 plus tan 15 is equal to 2a. Understand this? Any more cancellations? 1 tan 15 will cancel. Tan 15 plus tan 15, 2 tan 15. 2 tan 15 means how much? 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2a. 2 can be cancelled. A is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay, now? If a is equal to 2 minus root 3, therefore 1 by a is equal to 2 plus root 3. Check it. 1 by 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 4 minus 3, 1. So a plus 1 by a, clearly 4. A plus 1 by a minus root 3 plus root 3 will get cancelled. 4. See here, such a type of very easy problems are giving. Okay, now? So the thing is, you have to remember the value tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. If you don't remember that value, you can calculate rough work. 15, 45 minus 30, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Like that also you can write down. So you convert all angles in terms of tan 15 degrees. Easy to convert, easy to convert. Okay, now? So we will get A value. After A plus 1 by A, we will get 4 value. Okay, now? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to one more problem. Welcome to another problem. So this is also given in JEE Mains 2023 examinations in the January batch. Okay, let us see the solution. If the bigger area in first quadrant bounded by the curve y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to x and the lines y is equal to, and the lines y is equal to x and x is equal to 2 is alpha, then 3 alpha. Very clear here. So here y square is equal to 8x is a curve, parabola, open rightward, lies in first and fourth quadrant, and y is equal to x is a straight line passing through origin and first and third quadrants. X is equal to 2 is a straight line parallel to y axis and 2 units away from y axis. Okay, everything is clear. So diagram is also very easy to draw the diagram. Okay, so let us, so this is x axis and it is y axis. Y square is equal to 8x. So y square is equal to 8x. It is a, so this is a y square is equal to 8x. Next, y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is a line. So this is a y is equal to x. Next, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So this is the x is equal to 2 line. So that means this is a 2. Now we have to find out clearly the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to x and x is equal to 2. Now we have to find out this upper bound. So that is x is equal to how much? For that, what you have to do? You have to solve y is equal to x and y square is equal to 8x. Now let us solve it. Y square is equal to x means here put x. So therefore x square is equal to 8x. This is equal to x is equal to 8 or 0. So this is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. Understand? So now you have to find out the area. That is what is this area? So area is equal to, what is the lower bound? 2. What is the upper bound? 8. What is the upper curve? Y square is equal to 8x. Therefore, y is equal to root of 8 into root x minus lower curve minus x dx. Okay na? So take a root 8 common outside. Root x integral x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 2 by 3 minus x square by 2. So this is equal to 8 lower limit 2. Understand? So this is equal to root 8 into 2 by 3 into x value upper limit 8. 8 to the power of 3 by 2 means 8 root 8. 8 root 8 minus 8 square 64 by 2. 8 root 8 minus lower limit. Lower limit is equal to how much? Root 8 into 2 by 3. 2 to the power of 2 by 2 means 2 root 2 minus 2 square 4 by 2. So this is the value. So let us calculate this value, and so here root 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64. So 64, and this calculate, this also calculate. So we will get the definitely one answer. So try to solve this problem. Very, very easy problem. So direct problem. Okay. So without any difficulty, you can solve this problem. Okay now. So I hope that you understand this calculation. So let us move to next problem. So welcome to the another problem. So here if A is equal to one matrix is given, so 1 log y to the base x something, then he is asked to find out adjoint of A square, adjoint of determinant of adjoint of A square is equal to how much? First let us see that what is that adjoint of A square. This is given as modulus of A square whole to the power of 4. Adjoint of two adjoints are there. Okay. Modulus of A square, determinant of A square whole to the power of 4. By property, so this is determinant of A square whole to the power of 4. Determinant of A square is same as determinant of A whole square. So this is equal to determinant of A, 2 4s are 8. That means if you find out the determinant of A, the problem is over. So the whole problem lies on finding the determinant of the matrix A. Then how to find out here? See here, determinant of A is equal to, see here, very clear, very easy, 1 into AD minus BC. 2 3s are 6 minus, if you multiply here, log xz into log zx. Log x into z into log z into x will become 1. So here xz zx 1 minus log y to the base x into these two we will multiply. So 3 times log x to the base y minus, see here xz zy, xz zy. So this becomes log x to the base y, log x to the base y. Okay now, see log xz zy, then it will become log x. So I will write down the formula here, log of xz into log zy will become log x to the base y, log x z will go, right. Next one, plus log y to the base z is equal to, multiply these two, x will go, x log x to the base y into log z to the base x. Log z to the base y will come. So log z, so this, so here once again I will write down. So this is a log x to the base y into log z to the base x. This xx will go log z to the base y. Log z to the base y minus 2 times log z to the base y, minus 2 times log z to the base y. So let us calculate this. 6 minus 1, 5, 5 minus, okay. If you multiply log, see here log x to the base y minus log x to the base y. This is a 2 times log x to the base y. X cancel, y x cancel. Ultimately 3 minus 1, 2 it will become 2. Plus see here, log z to the base y minus 2 times log zy, yz will cancel. 1 minus 2 minus 1 will come. So, this is equal to minus 1. Ultimately, 5 minus 3, 2 will come. So, our final answer is equal to 2 power 8. So, 2 power 8, whatever may be the answer, that is the final answer. 2 power 8 is the correct answer. Okay. Right. So, very, very easy problem this is. So, we have to know the properties of adjoint of matrix. Okay now. Right. So, I hope that you understand this calculation. So, let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem from geometry. So, here if y is equal to x plus 2, 3y is equal to 4x plus 3, it is straight line. 4y is equal to 3x plus 6, straight line, are tangents of the circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then the value of h plus k is equal to how much? Then the value of h plus k. That means here there is a circle whose center is h comma k. There are 3 tangents are there. Is there tangents, any parallel tangents or anything is there? Nothing is there. So, all are different tangents. So, this is a one tangent, another tangent, this is another tangent. There are 3 tangents are there. Now, he is asked to find out h and k. Okay. So, here 2 different, whenever it is a tangent, generally students will approach, how will they approach? R is equal to D from center to that line perpendicular distance. Here also center to this line perpendicular distance, they be equal, and you will get an equation in h and k. Here also you will get an equation in h and k. Let us solve those 2 equations and you will get the h value, k value. So, that is also okay. So, now I will explain this problem in another way. So, how to solve? So, let us take this circle. Okay now, let us take circle. Let us take these 2 lines. These 2 lines. What are those 2 lines? I will write in order. 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So, 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Understand this? Those are the 2 lines. So, let us first try to time being omit the line. So, this is a one tangent. This is another tangent. Definitely these 2 are not parallel. These 2 are not parallel and moreover also not perpendicular. Not parallel, neither parallel nor perpendicular. So, this is a center h comma k. We have one property. What the property is means? The angle bisector, one of the angle bisector definitely passes through the center. Angle bisector passes through the center. Okay, find out the angle bisectors of this lines. What are the angle bisectors? What are the angle bisectors? Let me see here. 4x minus 3y plus 3 by root of a square plus b square. 16 plus 9, 25, 5 is equal to plus or minus 3x minus 4y plus 6 by 5. 9 plus 16, 25, root 25, 5. So, here you can cancel 5, 5 clearly, 5, 5 you can cancel. So, let us take plus sign. First plus sign you take. So, if you take a plus sign, what happens? 4x, bring this side x minus 4y, bring this side plus y. So, here 3 take to that side. 3, 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. 6 minus 3. So, plus 3 will go to that side, minus 3. Now, this angle bisector passes through h comma k. Therefore, h plus k is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Over. Now, in this stage, you can get a doubt. Sir, what the doubt means, sir, why can't we take minus? Okay, let us take minus. See what happens. So, the equation will be 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to. So, take minus means here minus 3x plus 4y minus 6. Bring this side. So, this is a 7x, 4y. So, this is a minus 7y. This is a plus 9 is equal to 0. Plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, you observe this third line and this angle bisector. Third line is what? Y is equal to x plus 2. So, this is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. What is the slope of this line? 1. Third tangent slope is 1. What is the slope of this line? 1. What is the slope of the line? 1. That means Another angle bisector is there now. So this is another angle bisector, and this tangent, this y is equal to x plus 2 tangent, they are parallel. They are parallel. Y is equal to x plus 2, and this another angle bisector, they are parallel. Understand? They are parallel. So definitely these two cannot passes through the origin. Okay, na? So that is the analysis. That's why h plus k is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is a limit problem. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus so on. 3n minus 2 plus 3n minus 1 minus 3n. Divided by root of 2n to the power of 4 plus 3n plus 1 minus root of n to the power of 4 plus n plus 3. Then how to solve this problem? So very easy to solve this. Let us, in the numerator, let us see this type of series are very important. So here let us group the three terms. This is a first three terms as a group, next three terms as a group, last three terms, what are they? 1, 2, 3, these three terms as a group. Let us calculate what happens in the numerator. What is the value of the first group? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, leave it. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, next to 6 will come, next to 9 will come, so on. Here, see here any more cancellations? Plus 3n minus 3n cancel. 3n minus 3, 3n minus 3, you can take common, 3n minus 1, whole divided by. Coming to the denominator, n to the power of 4 is here, here also n to the power of 4. Let us take n to the power of 4 common outside. So in the both the brackets, n square will come. So here root of 2 plus 3 by n cube plus 1 by n to the power of 4 minus root of 1 plus 1 by n cube plus 1 by 3 by n to the power of 4. Understand here? Right. Now it will become 0 as n tends to infinity. 1 by n cube times 0. So this is also 0, 0, 0. Root 2 minus 1 will come. So denominator. In the numerator, see here, limit n tends to infinity. Take 3 common outside. If you take 3 common outside, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n minus 1 divided by n square into root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1. Now again, so this implies limit n tends to infinity into 3 into sum of the first n minus 1 term. So sum of the first n terms means n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n minus 1 means whatever n minus 1 into n by 2 divided by n square into root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Let us bring all the constants to outside. All the constants, that is 3 by 2 root of root 2 minus 1. 2 into root 2 minus 1. So in the numerator, what remains here? Limit n tends to infinity. N into n minus 1 by n square. N into n minus 1 by n square. This total value is 1. This total value is 1. How can you say that? So already we know that n tends to infinity, there is a short trick. N square minus n. N square will cancel 1 by n square. 1 by n square value 0. 1 minus 0, 1. So total value is 1. So our answer is 3 by 2 into root 2 minus 1. Otherwise root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So final answer is 3 times root 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 times root 2 plus 1 by 2. So that is the answer. Okay. So very easy problem this is. Okay. So the only thing is, whenever such type of series are there, so you have to group them into 3. So if you do the number of problems on this, based on this model, definitely you will get the idea. Okay, na? Definitely you will get the idea that we can have to group these three terms. Okay, na? Right. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class, and So some more problems, tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So until then, all the best.